mwancho mwireria no butuko we 11 mutinyo gatano gatatu mwako yigo chiri 2025 nomo sene chiabene ngo kwari nse tsendi kya okyabene gien soko tv mese mangana mayibo tuko bwana bonega nkomanyi haliagende tokorekana kwa chinsemo a robangu rwabusi na boyigo gegame muchi Nairobi hoyo kumwate sense mimeno litarionde utatiga ansaro mekurubona bono iga amaya sencheri obekanu achakira bene igonkoro kwa Daniel omwaga
Dr. Fredo Kelo Matiangi akabeke mipango yokorete railway line gasi itunyamira aiga ikonge gekogenda guchimate bogere serikali yekere yaswa ikarusia railway station ya kwenda ko bagase ito bagachaka bototainga naide mbache banyemeke etayese map
oyo korige kirokyo bunge nsema ye bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Calvin Kenani Omwando kwenye mochia serikali asokunganye getaseni kegetange kiereri kurwe nsemo ya Ikonge county ya Nyamira.
The National Delegates Convention this morning has unanimously proposed and endorsed Honorable Caleb Amisi, who is one of our distinguished guests today, to serve as the party leader of the People's Renaissance Movement.
Ekiama ya People Renaissance Movement kokoro mosangere karamone memochio Nairobi. Ase mubunge bwense moye bunge ya Sabaot Caleb Amisi achorwe bene kubo moraibu ekiama ekyo.
Who are these doctors who accompanied Raila Odinga against the wishes of his personal doctor, Professor David Oluocholunya? For the first time, Kenyans must know what happened. I have intelligence information as follows.
Henekeria tene ni abakenya obwene igoro ya makweri yoyo kabiro mwaziri omonene imeyense ya Kenya Raila Amolo Odinga amo na nyagosira Johana Ngeno omoraibwe kiama gya DCP Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua kumaboli omoraibwe nse ya Kenya William Samoei Ruto. Tochaka bena mayege teseni ge okyabene gen soko timorogobona iga hasibono tochaka nengana yogo ichani umwancho mweri asumroyomo okoro kwa Daniel Motaruki nigo abora korwa asenka yabo botukubo gokira rero asegeka gitarigeke igento boyigo kekagiribuna nigataribwa amona barogi imeyensemo ya Sironga egwodi yabo gichora esemo yebunge ya West Mugirange county ya Nyamira korengana na abeboli baye nigo umuroyo asoka chinsanga isano nemo chabutuko buno lyo kugenda gwekonya na koira hegeka ateyana hegento boyigo kyaba barabwembeo na gweteka komanya asagenda guchya bono nigo yamate yenseme yo yagikere gokorekyo asekeringa obogot igo bagoteba ngoborogi negento kero kwetwa ane chinga kigose amonebiro muri keto Vincent Monda nigo yamaguraye goikasenseme yo na nene gutuchakira bene amayiya ense yemo yabona maragoba
yabantu batoreke senjo gotari umwana na ndocho mwana amabwe kore familia ya negento kendeke besana
nase enkayo mugaka Charles Mumanyi yamateye nigichanete gekore kyo botukubugo kera rero ekyo kyabwatera ni umwana obo mumurokoro kwa Daniel Motaruki
botukubwa rero na lina ika kinsa gicha ikirange sa sita botukuiga umwana yo genda nganso tukagenda siko taji kuirana unaso ogete njabono kanyo nyine na irite kinsa kumbe na tegerete ogo chikobwati omwana akanyara taiya sakurara tugaika saa saba akanyara omwana oyo amisete nyumba agake patrol igara ndi agajekinde cyo agenda kero kende muna marwira akira mwakerenjera akanyara taiyo kerenda ko litanya taiyo aliya netaga dress oya kobeka bana kianga kya kawaida ngomuboli ngayo go kibana dende
omukia bwo gotema kumuriga Motaruki nigo sarira ase chinsa chinyinge egento bego kyagere ya Mateyonsi kumanyigwa eri babwate sienke ye kumuriga mumuroyo
balende kurate ga kwikenyoroga nencenga anza kwano kanyana atwaliro bwoba kanza gukura kosoka wichabu nchenkanyara bane se ngasa chesting ngento ngokora bantu bagande bagasoka kuche para laiti abantu bakumyoka abantu kuchesteni
twakumisana chinse cyanga saa 7 na 17 iga yakare twanyora abantu bachakire gokura ninki na oweni orure nyomba ntumatie sagenda twachaka ko magamagana ninki kyaba
Motaruki nigo konyora abangirwe kugenda konyora masomo manene ye university mutinyo yiga chinga kibona nyora nene gekore ikyo kagendete kweroberia korengana ni amateye nige simi yaye yari woka gekorima chinse cyo bari kumurigia egento bego kyabako ngukumanyereria bunaka yaberete asege kegetambe nigo bamonyora karange na sebakoroke koroba karomogoyu
ato karo sete sana tari gokwana lakini akero kumurigereria ucogongo bona bagutaka kuigua lakini kwanza igagore taikuiranire ne chinguru bono nabo kumo support umara gutara
nege kore kikiagiriria mateye kwe murungania bororo bagoteba buna amang'ana aya namabe
angakia bono tindo chingantu bwate ase umuntu agutari bung'ana oborogi ibintu bitugukana
engakia rero twaitiru ne chingakia samang'ana yakorekana yoborogi nyore no yo kare gotemba gocho mucho tawate saitani asindu kiagara ntota itigento muneke nandege chikorekana tiga muntu as anyo morogi karumia tiganga aroga abana banyore gisemi bagende baje gotokonya inkaiga barusio botaka
naye etwangota ngondo bwate gente kamune chinga kichiarire kanisa jechoye tiga bantu baende kanisa mama nyasaye patika mangana yoborogi
ekekore kenigo yatigire nke ya mumanyi kere no bwabo bonge abwase bagoteba abo bagokorayo nigo bari nekirenge kebe
bono naro na matemu getache kiagera ntana korwa bintu ngekyo nande ochabone ntetini koiranga engana yarenge yoko nkorera amaye kiagera nyono umuntu nkorera amaye ayo jamugaso eno matemu umuntu ale konkorera usakorire
moje gotare richari si omwana gaki igamo gosoka na mosoka
abarogi nu moko gokekera abana babantu bacandegete omorogi muno yari tumanya saberete nyasa kenkoba ya mugaso igoro amwake munapa egara arorekane
barogi abantu anakobarora ngai bana bakebisete.
Vincent Monda, Ensoko TV.
Bya mano murikito Vincent Monda sarabo chiro kurese county ya Nyamira bono togosika muto mwanchi mwirira nigo abanyanyimbo amana babisabo botuki ba DCI kuri sekete seni ya Keroka nigo bachakire beno botukiri morioka mayaga yo mugaka abwe myaka ya igatwa uyukonye agokora imirimo asenka yo mugaka manyekende buno mbati ensemo ya mochenwa hatoka gaitire na gusiro gimabwaye asenseme yo imiye sub county ya Masaba North ensemo ye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba imiye county ya Nyamira nyagusiro ywe omanyekaine aserie tabuna James nigo karengana nabana inchi akagaire ito asensenye moye nyombe ye moyo kwegokia asomochi oyo na maega yaye kuyurwa hagoika asenseme ngao angene nyombe yo nigo nonye nigo abo nabo babo tukibaika asenseme yo asenyombe yo kwegokia na kurusimo biroye yo nyagusira asoyiro goika senkendu ya gucha chinsemo chi Akeroka muri kieto Sofia Igara niga ika asenseme yo na tunero botiro kobwatia
amayanda na magomba manene nigo abwatanse asensemo ya mochenwa eyue gotoka ime ye wodi ya Gesima ebunge ya Bugitutu bwa Masaba county ya Nyamira ayaniga gochicha rimorioka magega yo musacha w'imyaka ya igatwa aserieta James atoka gaitire asemambe ya rero nakobekwa mbarabare angene para korengana na kirori nigoberera buna tera abantu ndentangani asensemeyo konyora ebikoro binga bune biga byo gutakogia asebate bire buna nigo babeire bagusaba eserikali usieka enyombe yemo yo kwegokia asensemeyo korende nigo egenderete gukora igasi asebono nyagusira akageire goiterwa asenyombeyo na kuimukigwa kobekwa mbarabare ne para erange ne nyombeyo yo kwegokia
kijana amesema tulikaa na security meeting tukasema hii paa juu hapo ichunguliwe ijulikane hao wametoka wapi kuja kufanya biashara hapa. Chief, assistant chief na chief both side walikuwa hapa
ku musa umugaka omoke utabwate myaka eliyo wone tangatote ngatianga na igorerwe geisieri kya makweli nganera soe asenjerde ere ya etama yogoitwa iyo etaribuya itangani kabisa iwonda teguchake ko tobwate barasa eyarenge gaiga mochenwa injeno yo mobuli natenete inkagi keria ebaye yakuru kutriben mochenu gaiga ebaye ya triben niwe yabwatu mochando njabwate no online says ekere bisanga byo goitu byarekane tororo insecurity yarekanete untu atebete maisomarore tugateba nanja wonete koego analysis na ndi yarengo sheku completely
bono nigo barure ogosaba gochia serikali gochakia obotuki bwa bene na kumanya ekerenga kerio kirerete nyagusira oito goika gokwa asebono konyora are esemerio ye familia ye
enkorokwa Peterson mukaya mukwa elimanyekanite Mikaeli Samuel Ogero kurutongo sengera enachire iga asinge njuna igunga umwana uminto na Kenya twe na ite twe ase paerega na giankonile nga kibono tuacha na ende ngikegenderetega bono tukumitinga eserikali nero igentege tangani kabisa esabu chief oiketo kororo ne chief na county government oikecha ko ni for kesiek egerto manyinga nki umwana ya iteire na ende town ye nebuate igento kurukanga chairman ye town nero na county council ngotokere town ye egerto manyinga egerege kebe kiroro nikyo goita abantu osinega okore biashara.
Bono nigo abanyanyimbo kurua asegeteseni ya keroka baikirana asensemeyo na kurusia umubere onyagesira goika koyoira asenkendu ya gucha asebono okendererete na nigo obutuki bwa bene bwachakigwa rimoryoka
njenkoro guchuria sinyakuni mukwa yo Samuel omwana oyo kanyirega no yo minto nero mukogoti amangana ya mumuro minto monna kwana twegure obesana ndo twagachi obesana urentige serikali tubwatisi
ngoripoteria igeteseni keiga yensoko kuriga asensemo ya mochenwa egotoka ime yebunge ya bugetutu bwa Masaba county ya Nyamira nchenkoro kwa Sophie Oigara
Mbuya mwana wa Sophie Gara soroboti yuriyo senchira yobe kanubana togosuka motu nigwa sentunda yende na yende mubunge bwensemo yebunge ya Barau Patrick Osero enyorire gose abonye abo abekiro aseta eratiri igoro yo gutumika obe ebwenibo ya CDF asemero berio ao asebano umusaye oyure neganga yo kurije pergo okiaborabu morarake baso abolire mubunge Osero arebene igoro buna tumegete chibesa chishiringi chimia isana esato echi osachiri buchimia isana esato echi atebenga nigo chigorete pambu yegesima asens kuru ya makura kurende etabwatie pambu ase skuru eyo nigobo igo asensemo yendeke baso agoserenga na cheko genda guika sikgambiro eriyo kubwatera gosigo soera ekombekeria CDF igyaborabu igose kenyare kwa kana kisira chiaye chirie bwate go sia sabantu bari banyete kubugori ebintu go suppliers aya ndiga yakwana asensemo yemo imeyeso wataniwe kama gya Jubiri na bamenyi bechiro ya mukomoni imeye ward ya Kyabonyoru ensemo yebunge ya Nyamira nonye nigo muri Keto Steven Nyari Kembunde nigakwetaro ikasense meyo na gutoni roboti rokubwatya
nase echiro ya mukomoni yegotoka segodi ya Kyabonyoru ebunge ya Borabu ime ya Nyamira asomo yego bareta mo babwatani ba Jubiri abagosira Dr. Fred Matiangi aigo yokurige keroke obunge bwa Borabu moske morake baso irari bageri wasioria ati yebinto biria inse yo bisi omujumbe orabisi moske Patrick Osero yabeirege kogora gochia asensemo ya makura
maeresa mangana como ngora asengencho amatukabera etete na chiete skuru eri kurukwa makura enare gosome file yane ya masakara orwase national government omolikyo manene noli okolire ebitabo bya serikali na chibesigo tumekwa nkanyoranga eko aholire golira ali makura ya siringi 1800 Inchenanya korora pampu ye bowl ya 1800 ngatera nko enapaka makure skuru ndole bowl yeyo ndole ne pampu ine inchenye kumeli ekerona ikalia nkanyoranga bowl yeri tei nkanyoranga bowl te kunyiri
bagukwana kerekyo nigo kerekyo kebasabo liringa erebuya obwasi okubobororo ase bunge ya Borabu anene mono asobotumekibwe kibesa
aboli abantu baminto Borabu omonto nabolo kugoro kwegurubaro atabwaje urubaro nabole pampe bawo le tai echireke mumia nane chazire gakinkulera ose nataka niseme hivi omujumbo yokogolera bamulechanga bacha kuogase omosangekano buno nigaboneta bamulaba chigasi elinga nabarabanyare kwegwanirira
kebasekere kioni gakwaneire ugotakanwa hanene mono kwesira yabari aba beire bakubwatoka obokoreri nabo ige bintu byabo gochubwagachi ao bwe bunge yo yabora buinse yo mujumbo rabisi
aga supply chichuma nane cha D8
nechi chuma 10 cha D10 nechi bags 50 cha simiti pakamoliana nechi bags 30 momuno batanya waka nobese chiae noyo gotoma abantu bakonywe echana bashuko mkutano. Mimi nataka kusema hivi ndugu yangu, nimewapatia siku 2 peke yake, masaa 48. Pesa ya kijana ilipwe mara moja. Isipolipwa, mimi kama wakili, kabla hii wiki ishe, nitapeleka kesi kotini.
Nigekire kimura kebaso hatebirenga nerebu yabamenyi nemono begwodi ya Kyabonyoru gotiga kwoni chikurago chisiko asekorende bachiretenga iryogo chencho borai bwa borabu.
Sasa nataka niwaambie hivi abantu maborabu. Iko wanasiasa ambao wamezoea tabia mbaya. Bako kora abantu baitu baba bataka eyine babasere. Omosera wasali gusia ito noborai. Igo inchekinda konyole ko golele skan. Igenga mna nawe la mama wose tata wose mrominto. Lakini tari kura ya ongo kugolia. Mtu yoyote ambaye anauza kura ananunua maskini. Onde wens okonie kura yae igako gorobo taka.
Steven Nyarikie Munde, Ensoko TV, Mokomoni, Borabu, County ya Nyamira.
Mya mono murikieto Steven Nyarikie Mbunde korwa chinseme chio chia Mokomoni. Togos kamutubono uyo kulige kiroki wa bunge bwensemo ye bunge ya Kitutu uchache South manyekene ebuna Calvin Kenani Omwando nigo bono hagandere koje mochia serikali ya William Samoei Ruto asokunganye kitaseni kigetange kireri korwa chinsemo cha Ikonge imeye county area ya Nyamira kokwana korwa chinsemo cha Nyamira asomo sangerikano olia babasa Olinda Matiangi Omwando nigane kiribu na Fred Okengo Matiangi nero isaine kwenye ense ya Kenya usio bochorio bonne borusi obwo mwakogocha
Mokomoni ni ya mwana nuna abantawa ya Samarieta nchenkoro kwa Calvin Kenani Omwando omujumbe wanyerete Kitutu chache South abantu baminto ndagetemba tebie emepango omwana omito Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi abegete ase serikali ya Uhuru Kenyatta ataragororo omupango mutangani abantu baminto enyagitari yarekorokwa a specialized health and research center yarekwa gacho busise ito la yanyosia yali bari chache yarenge what 500 billion. That facility was removed from Kisii ekaiwa Eldoret yabwate 4,000 bed capacity because whatever this government serikali has discriminated upon the people of the Gusii region, and we will not accept that. Egiakabere omwana ito Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi akabeke mepango yokorete railway line etegase ito Nyamira aiga Ikonge yekogenda uchimate bogere serikali yekere yaswa ikarusia railway station ya kwenda ko barase ito bakachaka bototainga naende mbache wanyemeke eta yese map serikali etata wotereti muna bato rugete muna bato sigeti na ito ndolosiko wasika. So we want to tell this government that we as the people of this region, we deserve the development, we deserve good healthcare facilities just like our people of the Rift Valley in Eldoret. Mtota yete gitari yeyo ya itoa achise itoa iga eretwe kangabona baba ito igogi bagoko ine na shilingi 3,000 oruwa yama Eldoret oko ine na shilingi 150 ogende ya igoruwali serikali yetata wazeti mwenye kama hanayi ambe Ruto ende asiende ngote wa Matiangi ngote wa State House Matiangi sera soko ngogo Matiangi muno na iche mo basekwe amna nabatebya inuna abantu baminto ntumwanya getinde ibo elimo koko rumachisanyi sano nemo igo abantu baminto baraborabu naende na bwa babara aise itoge tutu bosongo igo kibo tega bantu baminu mwa batebinga alibo betutu chachiso so tora baraibe iso uno mwisho yega soro ko Calvin Kenani omwando tayo
togo tigana nayo ege siasa toske motu bono mwanchu mwira sense mwende siasa ase ekiama kiria gia people sense movement ige osegia akolire musangerekano monene imeyo mochi o Nairobi aseba mochiri mon aseba mochoro mobunge usabout Caleb Amisi una kobomurai bwekiama ekyo abara ikurwa ase ebiama abine biri kunyemere serikali igetia abo omusubati Martha Karua David Maraga na baigo Eugene Wamarwa nigo bameko bagikana asomo usangerekano yo aseba ono sobwamo nigo bana kiringa gwekabachiko bwatirana ere kwene kinga omurai ribwen service William Samoei Ruto oikachika omurai bwen tunda ya mugosero bochero bone bo mwaka w'ikibere 2025 onebere muri kitoline tyambane nigakore taro yaye ya masemo katinse mechio na kobwani robotiro kubwatia.
The National Delegates Convention this morning has unanimously proposed and endorsed Honorable Caleb Amisi, one of our distinguished guests today, to serve as the party leader of the People's Renaissance Movement.
Gukwana ase omusangirekano yo Caleb Amisi oyuo ochorwa koba omurai bwekiama ekyo niga kwaneire esabari yaye yokoba omurai.
My journey to this platform was neither obvious nor assured, and my story is unique. It is a journey that could not have been made possible by faith, education, and generosity of others. My life began in the shadow of tragedy. My father died before I was born. My mother left me when I was 6 months old. I have no brother, I have no sister. Before you today was once an infant abandoned to the whims of fate, raised by a paternal grandmother in a rural village.
Tinga kiechechio boigo Caleb otebire ekiama ekyo gia PM na kyo ekiama kia basae abubabeire asege kegetambe batabwati abarai.
In June 2024, the ground shifted permanently beneath our feet. A generation burst a new demand for a renaissance. Youth took to the streets. They demystified both the myth of tribal politics and the old political playbook. They declared, we are a tribeless, fearless, leaderless, partyless. We are still tribeless. We are still fearless. We are no longer partyless. We are no longer leaderless.
Babarai ao bakwambiriria eserekari nigo bairari bagerio na gukwanira okubwatirana kwabo asobochori borobosio na kwenekia rutongo chiare kogendanka.
I share your belief in the imperative to make a clean break from the past and to forge a new Kenya that abhors corruption and extractive politics. A Kenya where the rule of law and constitutionalism are supreme. We at UGM Party believe in collaboration with like-minded parties and leaders. In our view, the PRM party is one such a party. We have several ideas in common. We are looking to form alliances with radical, reform-minded political parties as we gear up to send this thieving regime to committee in the next 364 days.
Nchi inachukua mwelekeo mbaya, ili hali chama cha Caleb Amisi ODM jana wamekubali waungane na Ruto waende waunde serikali na UDA. So PRM being born today is out of principle and courage of conviction to say no. ODM was a movement of the people, by the people, for the people. And we cannot abandon the people, 75% of whom cannot put food on the table because of the high taxes, because of the high cost of living, because of the runaway corruption, because of the failed policies of SHA in the health sector.
One-term movement has demonstrated that a significant majority of Kenyans are ready for political transformation. But transformation will not happen simply because we say one term. We must organize, we must vote, we must defend it, and we must sustain it.
Arenayo Ruben Kigame oyuoro mubwatani bwe kiamekyo oraririe gocha kwerurukia ebendera ye kiamekyo ase ekerogo kyoborai bwense ase obochori obonene borebosyo.
Na ninataka kutangaza wazi kwamba kama Mwalimu Ruben Kigame nitakuwa nabisha kwa mlango kuwa candidate wenu in the 2027 elections.
Korpoteria Soko TV Erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Hirwaye Linet Nyambane na urogo tikimo tumoko mutangani asamangana maya ensa yamo kitusenike okiabenegian Soko TV ekero chiena ntukirechite kameronge 3 igorensa yamo oyabono marago bakinuto masoko katokana tuchikugendera na mange hali ntakorekana nene enkwana yaye umurewe kamakiria agia DCP Geoffrey Gashagwa.
Eye Soko TV Oboroso Bumugusi Mrena nabalibe chinguru Erikwe manyabo na wataka kuruchitana nye chense Frida Kerubo Innocent Onyango Clinton Ondigi Diana Ndemo Ishmael Mogere Linet Nyambane Daniel Omwaga eke nakige kos kiamesa yamangana maya obulimira bwesiro yobunda bwense kulele tali nchirende onsira krobolemi obiyoke enyoreri bagalia bene kwaegwa megerio chisemi nobosemia egero yobulimi bwekerero nechikolinga
asobolemi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mate
tebone ngombe bune yengiya
gale konyana ebinsimegete ndera ngetia maraba ekonete konya kukina yo kamara konya kuyira nganya we kwama buya
beka chibuti imokyo bokombe to semogondo bweli nebisumwime na pathway machine
Kristo kuri Jumaine chinsa ni bere cyamuragoba weka chinsa isato asomoro bere oberemi nobotugi ekero turesemia mange kuri saberemi chini gongoro kwa petrol machine
asomoro bere boberemi nobotugi ime Soko TV oboroso bwomugusi ekerendwali yakuibire chinguru kirali tukunesegi ekero wai kirensinyo ogosemeria nkoro One Fit Health Center ninto mwali bomuchando
Secretary ne Dr. Kenna Moses umunyagitari na chagete inyagitari ya One Fit. Inyagitari ya One Fit ya chagete 2005 asomucho karatila. Asinyagitari ya One Fit nere inyagitari ntangani ase East African ngima. Asitogo korege ntugekoro kunga blending of medicine. Yani ngege nyagitari yetu ya Walfit itoko tumia chinjira isato yoko weni ya marwaide. Tuatumia enjire ya kawaida tukurukanga conventional medicine, tuatumia nutritional medicine, na ande tuatumia ndegunga international herbal medicine. Ase nyagitari yetu itoko make sure nga tuakolide diagnosis tuamanyire mechando yabobwate wekerenjira ya professional laboratory testing tuamanyago kwa mayogo
nye kwa buli wo murembe ndwali chinkongo buno buriri bwisukari high blood pressure arthritis ulcers na hemorrhoid egati ya mange toba nobuoba Tunyora Samagacho Alisa Plaza ejo kwenye manyekantu na Uhuru Plaza 3rd floor room number 307 ange nichiru ya Marigiti Omuchishobo Songo Hose tuakireseme asi number 072224 5763.
Daktari gakurwaria marwaire ari complicated abarwaire abaguta barwarite muno ekero bakirege igoro bairwa mariogo umurwaire akora ndokora matukato lakini ekero bakwira na rio watakora daktari ya kabere ya gatatu bokonya abo bwenete
Mwancho murigeria bwensoko TV bagakwana bagateba chisemi na chikori bya orobebe egati ya bari babwate na bari batabwati ase bisaku au lakini erure nche Clinton ndigi gwetera segeta seni kiago gensoko TV gochiko komanya onsi eya maseyemo ali aenekiwe ali arobere gochia konekiwa ase sector yechisemi kuregase obugatagati bo mocho Nairobi abego chi county chonsi emerongene na isano nebere ase ense ya Kenya erioko ligia komanya na ria ya agendrete ase sector yechisemi
ense ngongo ibere kera etageka na kera ensa amangana maya nigo agwateka nimbe ngotuka gosaka nabo igogo kumanya ayara bega gwateka korwa ase omochomane no Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Karibu nendo mwancho mwiria tukaendelea kuremesa itu ya magana maya yensa ya mwega teseni kya kyabene Gensoko TV togos kama tubono muraiwe kyama gya DCP Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua niko bono amuganiri umuraiwe ense ya Kenya Daktari William Somorito kwenekeria ba Kenya obwene igoro ya makwiri yo kabeiro muraiwe kyama kirekia ODM na baigore ngo muwaziri omoneme ense ya Kenya Raila Amolo Odinga amo yo kabeiro mubunge bwensemo ye bunge ya Emurwa Dikile Johana Ngeno kokwana kurwa asama gachama nene ye kyama ikega mimo chu Nairobi niko bono Gachagua aenekirie buna amakwiri ayo nigonjokane botutukanu uboro bonene asebono amwani muraiwe ense kobeka teneni nabo igoko tebaga nkikirikia korekanete gati ya baraya bo bantu ko sibu mwabo asenchira ere yobo tutukanu.
There is one promise Mr. William Ruto made to the people of Kenya and he has delivered 100%. Congratulations, Mr. President. Mr. Ruto, you promised to permanently retire the late Prime Minister, Right Honorable Raila Odinga in Bondo and finish ODM. You have succeeded in both. Odinga is permanently retired in Bondo and ODM is no more. There are many prominent deaths that have occurred in Kenya and they have not been resolved. Kenyans want to know what happened to Raila Odinga. Why were the medical doctors of the late Prime Minister denied access to him at the last hours? Why did he have doctors from Nairobi West Hospital, a hospital closely associated with William Ruto, than his own doctors? Why were the instructions of Raila's doctor ignored that Raila shouldn't travel? Raila Odinga was a respecter of Luo traditions and custom. How could a person, known respecter of Luo traditions and customs, indicate that he should be buried in 72 hours against all known Luo traditions and customs? Was William Ruto anywhere an executor of Raila Odinga's will? Why was there no postmortem done on the body of Raila Odinga? Why was he forced to go to India through a private jet? Why did the president force Raila Odinga to go to India? Why was his party ODM taken over before his body arrived in the country, despite the known African customs that you don't inherit a man or a woman for that matter before they are buried? Who are these doctors who accompanied Raila Odinga against the wishes of his personal doctor, Professor David Oluoch-Oluonya? These are hard questions that Kenyans want to know. On the death of Honorable John Ngeno, the late MP for Emurwa Dikile, for the first time, Kenyans must know what happened. I have intelligence information as follows. On the fateful day after Ngeno was dropped at Edebes, the helicopter went to fuel in Eldoret. The pilot didn't know the fuel he was about to put in had been transported to the scene from Lodwar. High alert Kenya revenue officials noticed an unusual car that had carried the jet fuel. It was arrested and the driver questioned. The driver refuted to them that he transported the fuel from Lodwar. Immediately, this KRA official and the police authority Airstream were instructed from Nairobi to release the driver if they cared about their lives. Is it this fuel that caused the chopper not to pick up in high altitude? Is that why the pilot first came down and tried again to pick up? These are fundamental questions. What did Kipchumba Murkomen know about the people who called this KRA officer and the police at Eldoret Airstream officials? Can KEA produce the CCTV footage at the facility on this fateful date? We are still waiting for a report on what killed Johana Ngeno.
Tugotigane nkwana yaye Rigathi Gachagua tetuske mutu mwanchi mwiri asebono abanyanyimbo gose abamanyi iguru yo bonchereria abwerire nigo bayene kiribuna onye serikali terigochia koigeka obunyamasi bwaye asamangana ayebintu biribitwetanene nigense ya Kenya irachikwenyora asakongu bosio matuko ari mutwe kokwana haigemi muchi Nairobi omo director abwekiombe kiria gya KDC noratemo nigo bayene kiribuna serikali nigo ebwendete gokora amonchereri anene ase okurwania Mariuki ya gasokibwa anech company au aigemeyense ya Kenya aya niga kwandwe asomoyega gogo chakya omoroberi o products and service launch as well as the supplementary and green financial strategy aiga imimuchi Nairobi.
That qualify for green financing are projects that are already green, projects that are looking to go green, so projects that are looking to for innovative or more modern manufacturing equipment that is not emitting into the environment, projects that are also compliant with ESG. Remember that when we talk about sustainability, we're just not talking about also the environment, we're also looking at how sustainable you are. So these are projects that are going to qualify for this financing. We shall be helping businesses also comply and develop this. Equally on the green space, now we are going to support all sectors. So look at it as with us looking at the climate change. So now all are affecting the climate in a way. So to Kenyans again, this financing will be important because we shall be looking at businesses doing responsible investment. So you reducing your carbon emission to the market. So this is cutting across sectors, even the livestock sector. Those who are looking at environmental innovative projects, we shall be supporting that. Green buildings is also a space we're looking at. So we're looking at waste management, we're looking at green buildings, we're looking at the circular economy. So we're looking at all that space within the green space. Currently, we brought it down to 5 million, and what we are doing, we had the wholesale financing product, and with the wholesale financing product, we are going to extend financing to microfinance institutions, to SACCOs, and that is why PS Cooperatives is here, because it's a critical stakeholder. So we are working with the SACCOs, we're also working with microfinance institutions where we wholesale and give them concessional financing, so then they're able to support the bottom mwananchi, the ones who are doing the small businesses who need 100,000, 200,000, they'll be able to access these facilities, but through our wholesale financing programs. Yes.
Thank you. Climate-related shocks continue to reduce national productivity, with estimates showing that climate change costs Kenya between 3 to 5% of GDP every year. Building resilience is therefore no longer optional. It is central to sustaining economic growth and protecting livelihoods. It is for this reason that the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, has consistently positioned climate action and green industrialization as central pillars of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
Nabono togosika mutu mwanchi mwira tera ne kase county ya Kisii asebono mokonyi bo mugabana habwe county ya Kisii omoske eraijo bebo nigori tukyarero hatarire chiamate chibwate amakongu imeyense yotamba amo nensemo ire ya ryongoso imeyense ye bunge ya ibali chache okwana nabana inchi chinga kechyo nigo mosko bebo hakwanire egati ya magendro yo mugabana Paul Simbarati ayenekirie na sebono agani abana inchi kumubwatisia na kumusira sentunda ya kabere bosebo choryo bonne burebusio na nigo bono igo keire okubwatana gwe serikali enene na Iriage County ya Kisii asekiringa nigemeroberio ya magendro yabereko bagekorekana teneni
tigante byumugambi gabananga na ikirese ito abantu banarondira abantu
ontebi gokobanyora abantu abo obatebi ngo mheshimiwa Paul Simba Aradio bagwanire mwangira babaye alirende yatose Simba naligerie gentegerera amenga se itonde arambe bali ntoli na barabu gento ngerie gia na igure muna igoro no twenge na Ivasha mbona mambinaru na Ivasha no mu president yarenge yale ko tukwambia mangana makabu ate ayande mwanya igwete ji radio mwanya igwete lakini mono na into tokorerie so ngambi ya mono ko rwansa meye na into torate ngo bugambi bo twabonjire ere buya ko sere bobe bone gero musike Paul Simba Aradio aroje ngani nyare gero ko geya agatebanjwa bagaka jikura ali parliament ye county baganga jikurejo gagijikurejo ndokore yeso le moyo ngambu ya mono abande bakabwa ngaki gose ko chaka bakende ya sale gire ingomete pa mune ngara ya irongo ngomete pa mune ngara ya arali ere buya gose ere bubi bono ngotigo etanda asegete iga ondo antebi tuta asande ordinary igwete mune igwete ontebi gyaga ontebi asa igotokora no bungaini bwa igoro na siasa ya Gusii igere siasa yege sangio ere buya go sere bobe abanyali bari nabange tole pi ninganjete igoto chikobeli 212 eru 212 2027 lakini ntituweka titoko nyara goikatonyo yese likorwasali gorusiko Yoko mwa kesabu mwa manyanga intutuwe kanta wakoraki tokonya ombogetu tunerenga gamba ombogetu tokagamberenga yonkare ko batebiga oyo Simba amabera abana bene nkonyubale kabisa aya kira abana bari korane meto igoro
Mwancho mwegereria tima etimune nkara ya ironge gocha yo makorende robotero kuro ase county ya Kisii na rogotekyo mwerio wa mangana maya kuro semesa ito yansoko tie morgo bonige kero chapto chide kemeronge enena isano onaibere igoro yansa yamo oya abona margo bakwende nichikone saisa to chabotuko kero chokatira mangana ayu na aliandaga to gatika kuro chinsemo ao chergongo ragusi amono muchene robi nabaye gonto chikutora magani na rugumanyeke na Bernard Simanto kwa sababu mtekova huyo chiko kwanda bene isabari yae yogotema komokonyo mwanyo manyaruka ane kumuchangalia na kukirana nga kunyara chitao chichobo chenu bichiko mokonya kira kare mirimo na nene wikenya masoma ye hasigesa kukyo mwana osasebisa ku biribitari kwenyara ime yense ya Kenya buna botambo yoringa mega yemenyoncho kwene kinga chibicha amana madio yekere senchara yo wekanu na amabrambo sire Kelvin Mogoyi Barnaba Sondari na baigo musubati Felistas Kabendi na senchara yemenyelio nigotua mobwate Sarome Kerubo yotakaotokonya mase yamo kurwa sensemo ya kabere nabo gukora mwana maya morgo bonega tumanega tone yichinse sato nigonkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga